Hey everybody, welcome to another video.
What the heck, dude?
Say hi, Shawnee.
Hi.
Tia, I don't know if you can get in the camera.
Yeah, probably not.
I'm gonna get her on at the beach. So we're heading to the beach because you guys know when I have this bag, I'm going to be charging my crystals. It's been about a couple of weeks, so I'm getting back into it. I just charge them when I feel like it.
We're heading to the beach.
Yeah, so that's where we're going. And let them play for a little bit because it's supposed to rain.
It will never,
so
it's gonna rain for like 2 hours.
Yep, so that's what we're doing. So I'll show you guys my niece's crystals because she's got a lot of them. I only got my little, I think I got 4. How many you got?
I have no clue.
Why are you getting nervous?
I have no clue.
They acting like we on live, guys, like a live. We're gonna do one of those.
No clue.
I wanted to come on because I wanted to share my news for those that really know about my business with my candles. So I remember I was telling you guys in that other video how you, Shawnee, be quiet, how you have to get the shop on Instagram, you have to have a Facebook business page, and you have to also have a website, and it has to be interconnected in order for you to have a shop. For some reason, Instagram needs all of that to approve you to have a shop on Instagram. So I woke up this morning and I officially have my shop on Instagram. So if you aren't following me yet, and you want to follow and you want to get easy access to shopping, if you're not just going directly to the website, you can go either way. You can go through my Facebook or you can go through the Instagram now and shop. So I'm so excited because it's so much to do that, to integrate that and do everything and have it all be one. So that's exciting. So yeah, so excuse my nephew in the back playing his game. So yeah, so I'm just taking them to the beach before it rains because it's just been like raining, thundering, all types of stuff out here. But it is hurricane season.
But
so
it doesn't rain.
yeah, but then it don't rain. So you like it so far here, Shawnee?
Yeah, it's sunny out and it's hot out.
And then Tia, you like it?
Yes.
What do you guys, what do you like, Tia?
I like the beach, how there's more beaches down here. Because in New York, you have to like travel and stuff for that. And like down here, you just like right around the corner. I like floaties.
You like your floaties? Oh yeah, he has like a tire floaty.
And Tia has a floaty.
And Tia has a unicorn floaty. But I'll probably have to take video and all of that another day when we actually go out because we got so busy doing in the water on Sunday. I wasn't able to get them on video as much as I wanted to. So yes, so yep, we're heading in and I'll pick you guys back up. So these are my little 4 crystals. I'll put a picture up of the 5 that I have. And then we're gonna swing over to this large selection that my niece has. Introduce yourself, please.
Hey, Rusties. I'm Tia, but you can just call me Tia for short, if you forget it. Yeah.
And she's into crystals as well. She wants one of those, what is it, palms? Forgot what we said they were called.
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're into crystals.
This is a garnet, I think.
Here, put it to the camera.
I forgot some of my crystal names. It's kind of embarrassing, but I'm still learning. But this is a golden healer. This is a clear quartz. This is a carnelian, I think they're called. This is an amethyst. This is a rose quartz. This is a clear quartz healer, I think it's called. Yeah, something with clear quartz. And then this is a red jasper.
All them crystals. But what do they do for you? Like, that's the thing. We gotta know. I guess when we get more advanced into it,
yeah,
we'll know.
Well, I know for sure this one is like for anxiety, I think, or like this. I think this is just a good crystal for a block, like for a lot of things. And this one's like for love, like self-love and stuff.
Yeah.
And then red jasper.
Look at her cheating. Going on the phone to Google. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys my nephew because he's over here scared of all the crabs in the sand. So he's staying in the water.